Well, the chairman of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Buba Marwa, has called on parents to rise up to the challenge of engaging their children about the dangers of drug abuse. This was disclosed at an event to commemorate the United Nations Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Drug Trafficking in Abuja. Mariam Mohammed reports.
Every year, the United Nations commemorate World Drug Day with the aim of strengthening actions and cooperations in achieving the goal of a world free of drug abuse. This year's theme is addressing challenges in health and humanitarian crisis. A report by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime shows that 14.4% of Nigerians are presently engaged in drug abuse. This portrays a negative trend developing across the country. The NDLEA, under the leadership of Buba Marwa, is determined to reverse this and has arrested over 17,647 offenders. 2,369 were convicted and jailed between January 2021 and May 2022. The agency also rehabilitated 8,000 drug users in 2021. A movie premiere is organized by the agency as part of the activities to commemorate the day and drive home the dangers of drug abuse. NDLEA Chairman Buba Marwa urged parents to look after their children and guide them along the right path.
The most important part of prevention starts with parenting. As we watch in the movie, parents have to begin from when the kids become aware and self-conscious.
The consensus among stakeholders against drug abuse is that society must unite to help curb the menace.
Have a very important role to play, so we've been partnering with the Federal Ministry of Education as well as with NDLEA to roll out some school-based drug prevention programs, and of course building up treatment facilities, as we saw in the movie, absolutely critical for drug users to have access to counseling services, to treatment services.
The industry, there has to be a collaboration between the industry, the stakeholders, because like I said, they look up to us and we have an influence.
You could see the argument between the father and the mother. That's also for us to know that when we have these challenges in our home, the father and the mother needs to work together. It's not to start blaming each other in the presence of the child.
The agency and stakeholders urge Nigerians to show more commitment to winning the fight against drug abuse across the country. Mariam Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.